student?
Let me answer that question.
In a world where data flows like an endless river and technology evolves at unprecedented pace, we find ourselves at the intersection of innovation and possibility.
Our journey begins with one of the finest universities in the country, the Bicol University. University for Humanity, characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. And to give home for IT, we have the College of Science, whose specialization is in the fields of information technology, natural sciences, both physical and biological, faces the challenge of uplifting the Bicolano's quality of life through the understanding, wise use, and management of its natural resources. Along with the CSIT department and partner organization, the Box Circuits, or Circle of Unified Information Technology Students, an organization to the development of information technology students through God-centered leadership, aiming to draw out the very best progress catalyst of change responsive to the needs of national and global development. And as we dive in on the world of information technology, let us meet some aspiring information technologists who drive progress, visionaries who turn ideas into reality, and students who will be the innovators of the future. Let us know them and discover their wonderful journey as a BSIT student. Why did you choose BSIT?
I chose BSIT because I'm interested of how technology works and how to program or develop software, games, and apps that our generation most use today. And also, when I learned that the field of IT is one of the most in-demand and high-paying jobs today, I decided to why not try this course that I'm interested in.
What is your goal as a student?
My goal as a student is to improve my skills, especially in programming and web development, and to continue to learn while enjoying my life as a student. Then create more memories with my friends, and also to finish my studies to become an inspiration to others.
My journey as a BSIT student have incredibly enriching. Computers and technology have become my passion. My problem solving and critical thinking skills have greatly improved. My goals as a student is to graduate, to fulfill my wants, to learn as much as I can about computers and technology, and to develop the skills that I need to be successful in the future.
Why did you choose BSIT?
I chose BSIT because I am really into technology, and the reason is it has a high paying job in this generation. And that's why I chose BSIT course.
What is your goal as a student?
My goal as a student is to enjoy being a college student and to graduate in one of the most prestigious schools in Bicol, and to make unforgettable memories with my friends.
My experience being a BSIT student is that you must learn more about the programming. When you master the basics of programming, everything is easier for you, such as making a website and many more. Being an IT student is complicated, but you get used to it. My goal as an IT student is to graduate and work hard every day. Even if you feel like quitting, you must continue your passion to achieve the things you want in life.
Now that we have heard the story and journey of being an IT student, it is amazing to discover how technology can make creative ideas turn into reality through programming languages, tools, codes, and the power of computers. There are endless possibilities in the field of IT as the world needs more innovation, progress, and experts that could bring a better future to every nation. As we conclude this journey through the world of information technology, remember that the world thrives on collaboration, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of progress.
So go out there, embrace the possibilities, and let your mark in the world of information technology be the light that guides us into a brighter future. Stay curious, keep learning, and let's shape the future. Together, let's make IT happen.